So you want to get into NFTs. Maybe you want to create your own NFT project, maybe you want to buy an NFT and sell it for profit, good luck. But regardless of your intentions, one thing is for certain, you're going to need a crypto wallet. Let's help you get one. I'm Aprilyn Alter, and this is a tutorial on how to set up, secure, and use a crypto wallet. In this video, we'll cover why you need a crypto wallet and what a crypto wallet even is in the first place before jumping into a full step-by-step tutorial on setting up a crypto wallet, adding crypto to it, and connecting it to OpenSea. By the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to use your crypto wallet to buy, sell, and receive NFTs. Wow, that's a lot of material to cover. Why do I keep doing this to myself? I should make shorter videos. Anyway, let's get into it. First of all, why do we need a crypto wallet in the first place? Look, if you buy an NFT, you need stuff to buy it with. You can't just waltz right into OpenSea or any other NFT marketplace with some US dollars and just buy a spanking new NFT. In order to buy and sell most NFTs, you'll need something called Ethereum, which is a cryptocurrency. That Ethereum has to live somewhere, and that somewhere is the blockchain, and the Ethereum can only be accessed using something called a private key. I know this all sounds like technical mumbo jumbo stuff, but hang in there. Think of the blockchain as a house. The Ethereum is the contents of the house, and the private key is your key into the house. If you lose the key to the house, you're really sad because you can't go in there anymore and access any of your stuff. And if someone else is able to steal their key, they can get into your house and access everything and steal everything and set the entire place on fire and laugh maniacally as they make their getaway. So the private key proves that your Ethereum is yours and that you're allowed to make transactions with it. And if you lose your private key, you lose everything attached to that key, everything inside of your metaphorical house, which is bad. That's where crypto wallets come in. You can think of your crypto wallet similarly to a physical wallet. You can put stuff in it and you can take stuff out of it. But unlike a physical wallet, which can hold cash directly, a crypto wallet does not directly hold crypto. Instead, it stores your private keys. So you need a crypto wallet to safe keep your private keys to allow you to buy, sell, and receive Ethereum and NFTs. But yeah, if it doesn't make sense, just yell at me in the comments and I'll try to do better next time. Anyway, so now hopefully we understand the concept of what a crypto wallet is and understand that we need crypto wallets to buy, sell, and receive cryptos and NFTs. But when it comes to crypto wallets, what are your options? Today, we're just going to cover online wallets. They're the easiest way to get started and they provide a balance of security and ease of access. Unless you have hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of crypto, online wallets are golden. If you do have hundreds of thousands of dollars or more worth of crypto, first of all, how you do it. But in all seriousness, if you do hold a large amount of crypto, you may want to consider upgrading to a higher level of security with a hardware wallet like Ledger, a cheeky affiliate link to which can be found in the video description below. Otherwise, an online crypto wallet is just fine. When it comes to online crypto wallet providers, the two biggest players are Metamask and Coinbase Wallet. There are plenty of folks who use Metamask and there are plenty of folks who use Coinbase Wallet. They do have some slightly different features, but honestly, if you're just starting out, either one of them will be just fine. If you are interested in a full detailed breakdown of the differences between Metamask and Coinbase Wallet, let me know in the comments below and I can make a video about it. It's just not worth getting super into detail right now, but I will say that I personally prefer Coinbase Wallet. I just like their mobile app better and they support more cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Litecoin. This tutorial will be done using Coinbase Wallet, but honestly the setup process is pretty similar to that of Metamask, so hopefully this will be helpful to you regardless of which crypto wallet you choose. And with that, let's hop into the tutorial itself. First, hop into Chrome. Go to coinbase.com/wallet and click download Coinbase Wallet. Add to Chrome and add extension. At the same time, if you want to, go ahead and download the Coinbase Wallet app on your phone. You don't technically need the app as you can operate just fine using only the browser extension, but I just personally like it and use it more than the browser extension itself. Back on your browser, select Create New Wallet. At this point, go ahead and select a username. Other Coinbase Wallet users can send you payments to this name, kind of like they do in Venmo. If you want other people to be able to search for your username, select that check. Then click Submit. This next step is absolutely critical, so wake up, look directly into my eyes, and pay attention. Coinbase Wallet gives you 12 words, which is your secret recovery phrase. If you're using Metamask, you'll see something similar. This list of words is known as your seed phrase. Your seed phrase is functionally the same thing as your private key. You know, that thing we mentioned earlier that allows you to access and use your crypto and NFTs? Yeah, that thing. Super important. When it comes to the seed phrase, two things are absolutely critical. 1, do not lose this phrase. 2, do not let anyone else see this phrase. If you lose the seed phrase, you lose your private key. You lose access to all of your assets in your wallet, crypto, NFTs, the like. I've heard horror stories of people forgetting or losing their private key and being completely locked out of their crypto. Do not let that be you. And if anyone else sees this phrase, they can access everything in your wallet. They can transfer all of your crypto to themselves, which would super suck. So yeah, don't let anyone else see that. But hey, Berlin, you're showing your seed phrase to everybody on the internet. I'm just opening this crypto wallet for the sake of this tutorial. You're welcome, but I'm never going to put anything on it. My own super secret seed phrase is super secret and super secure. Quick sidebar for tips on keeping your seed phrase secure. First, have a real world copy. Literally grab a piece of paper and write it down. Next, keep your seed phrase in a physical place that you trust, like a safe in your house or your physical wallet or a safety deposit box in a bank. Make sure to have a backup of your seed phrase in multiple places. Never, ever share your seed phrase with anybody else. And be really careful of phishing. There are a lot of nefarious characters out there pretending to be Metamask or Coinbase Wallet or influencers like your favorite NFT YouTubers who will try to get that seed phrase from you. None of these entities in real life will ever ask you for your seed phrase. Make sure you keep it private. Never give it out. Okay, back to the tutorial. Next, you'll be asked to verify the first and last word of your phrase, which shouldn't be a problem for you because you recorded your seed phrase, right? Right? After that, you'll be asked to create a password. This will be what you use to unlock your wallet every time you use your computer, but you won't be able to use it when you recover your wallet. Remember, only your super secret seed phrase can do that. At this point, the browser setup is done. Go ahead and pin the Coinbase Wallet extension to your browser to make it easier to access, and give yourself a gold star. You deserve it. If you're also setting up the mobile app, hop on your phone and select I already have a wallet. Select restore with recovery phrase and go ahead and type in those 12 special words of yours. It'll ask you to create a PIN. This is the mobile app's version of a password. After you set that up, you're in. Congrats! You've set up your wallet. Next, we need to add crypto into your wallet. In order for that to happen, you'll need a crypto brokerage, which is just a fancy term for somewhere you can buy and sell crypto in exchange for cash. For this, we'll be using Coinbase. Coinbase is the largest, most trusted crypto exchange in the United States, Great Britain, and Germany. Even if you did decide to go with Metamask for your crypto wallet, you'll still want to go with Coinbase for your crypto exchange. If you haven't already made a Coinbase account and you're a good person and you want to make free crypto, head down to the video description below for an affiliate link. We'll both receive $10 in Bitcoin if you do. If you're a bad person and want only $5 instead, just go to coinbase.com and click sign up. Go ahead and create your account. They'll send a verification email, so go ahead and click that. At this point, it'll ask you for your phone number for a 2-step verification. After you input your phone number, Coinbase will send you a code, which you'll input. At this point, it'll ask about your citizenship and will ask some personal questions. Financial regulations require them to verify your identity. The next couple of steps will vary based on which country you're in and will proceed based in the United States. It'll ask some more questions, answer them. After that, one more step is essential. While you're allowed to add funds into Coinbase, in order to send cryptocurrency, which you'll need to do in order to send Ethereum into your crypto wallet, you'll need to upload and verify your photo ID. Go ahead and upload your driver's license or passport. It'll take them a little bit of time to verify your ID. When I did it, it took less than 5 minutes, but it may take longer if your image is less clear. To be safe, try to have your Coinbase account all set up and ready to go at least a day before you actually need to use it. After your identity has been verified, it's time to buy some crypto. It's easiest to directly connect your bank account to Coinbase to buy crypto and deposit or withdraw cash. If you do this, your bike orders will also process instantly, which is great. Coinbase uses Plaid to connect to your bank account, which is a trusted integration. Select your bank and log in using your bank credentials. Different banks do different things to authorize your identity. Some will text you a code, some may make a couple of micro deposits into your account and then ask you to verify the amount of those deposits. Either way, verify it and then you're good. Once your bank account is connected, it's time to buy some Ethereum. You can do this in Coinbase itself, but it'll cost a 3% fee. If you use Coinbase Pro, which comes free with your Coinbase account, you'll only be charged a 0.5% fee. This is 6 times less than the simple Coinbase version, which may not seem like a ton in smaller volumes, but can add up to a lot of money saved. in larger transactions. The only downside of Coinbase Pro is that it's a little bit more complicated and it does require a couple extra steps. I'll go through the flow on the simple version of Coinbase just so you know how that works, and then after that I'll go through the entire flow on Coinbase Pro if you want to save some money. So to buy Ethereum in Coinbase, click buy sell and make sure you're buying Ethereum. Decide on how much Ethereum to buy. If you want to buy a specific NFT, add a couple $100s to the price of the NFT just to make sure that you cover your fees. If you want to sell an NFT, I'd recommend adding $500 just to be safe. There are a whole host of fees associated with buying and selling NFTs on Ethereum, which I go into detail in this video here, so you just want to make sure that you add enough Ethereum to cover these fees. Once you decide your amount, click buy Ethereum and congrats! You now have Ethereum! You are an official crypto owner. At this point, we need to get our Ethereum into our crypto wallet. Click send receive and make sure you're in Ethereum. To get your crypto wallet address, head over to your browser extension. Click the QR code icon and copy your wallet address. By the way, this wallet address can be sent to anyone without fear of them hacking into your account. This is your public address, not your private key. Remember, your super secret seed phrase is your private key to your house. You don't give your house keys to anyone, but you do give your house address out to people, so people can send you things and you can receive mail and Amazon packages. Your public address can be shared without fear. When you go to send these funds, you'll encounter a small gas fee. This network fee will vary based on the network traffic at that time. Go ahead and send, and then bam! Congrats! You now have Ethereum in your crypto wallet. So that's how you buy and send Ethereum in the simple version of Coinbase. Now let's run through it again, but in Coinbase Pro. Head on over to pro.coinbase.com, sign up using your Coinbase credentials, and verify that it's you. You'll be shown a rather overwhelming looking screen. Scary, I know, but you got this. Encouraging words. Over in the top left, click select market and ETH.USD. Instead of buying Ethereum directly from your bank account like you did in Coinbase, you'll have to deposit funds from your bank account into your Coinbase Pro account. Click deposit over in the left, click USD, and then go ahead and transfer some money from your bank account into Coinbase Pro. The processing time is instant. After that, go down and select buy and then specify how much you want to buy. You can see that the fee is much less than it was on Coinbase. Click buy order and congrats, you now have Ethereum. To send the Ethereum to your crypto wallet, click withdraw, Ethereum, and then crypto address. Head over to the QR icon in your Coinbase Wallet extension to copy your wallet address, specify the amount, and click withdrawal. Boom, you just did that. At this point, there's just one more step. We are so freaking close. Head on over to OpenSea.io and go ahead and click the Coinbase Wallet icon. Your Coinbase extension will ask you for approval to connect, and go ahead and approve that baby. Boom, you're done. You're all set, finally. You're now able to browse OpenSea to buy NFTs, start creating your own NFTs, and receive NFTs with your public address. Give yourself a round of applause. That was not easy, but you're not quite out of the water yet. If you are buying or selling NFTs on OpenSea, you have to be super careful about the fees. For a full breakdown on all of the fees on OpenSea, check out this video. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you can, and I will see you in the next video.